Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas, and we have what we think is another industry first behind us. We've been building half-ton trucks for years and even built a few mid-sized trucks, but rarely have we gone the other way and done heavy duty, the 3/4 ton and 1 tons. We have done a handful over the years, but very low numbers and nothing that we ever branded and made our own, but that's changing today. Behind me, I have our first 3/4 ton GM product. This is a 2024 GMC AT4 with the 6.6 liter gas engine. And that's exciting for us because we supercharged that gas engine and we think we might have been one of the first ones to ever do that. What is this package? Well, the JackalHD, as we're gonna call it, is just like our other packages. It consists of quality suspension. In this case, we're gonna be doing a 2.0 or 2.5 Fox shocks with reservoir. This customer upgraded to the 2.5s, and let me tell you, this truck rides amazing. I normally don't like 3/4 tons. They ride very heavy, very stiff, and feel disconnected. That is not the case with this truck behind me. It rides and drives amazing. We then paired those shocks with a Mazulla billet upper control arm that really helps with the ride and gives us some additional travel. And then we leveled out the front end with the rear so that it has a really great stance over these 35-inch BFG tires and 17-inch method wheels. And then we finish off the JackalHD package with these 3-inch fender flares that we think look great, and then a Borla exhaust system that really makes the 6.6 liter sound just perfect, deep, sporty, and as a truck should. As I mentioned, this truck started as a 6.6 liter gas engine that comes in these new HD Silverado and Sierras. This truck had 400 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. And while that moves the truck okay, it is pretty slow, to be honest, in stock form, being as heavy as it is. Now we have not only fixed that, but made this into a quick truck with the addition of this 3.0 liter Whipple Supercharger. This raises the horsepower 250 to 650 horsepower, and torque gets to about 695. So that's almost 700 foot-pounds of torque from this engine. And those of you that know 3/4 ton iron block Chevy engines, these things are bulletproof. And so not only is it going to be fast, but we expect this to last a really long time and be an awesome daily driver. As with all PaxPower builds, you get to make these JackalHDs your own. So you can take the JackalHD package, which is the suspension, wheels, tires, flares, exhaust. You can decide to add the supercharger if you want. And then from there, make it your own. Do bumpers, do accessories, whatever it is that you need to make the truck perform how you want, PaxPower is happy to add that. For this customer, we did a front Fab 4 bumper up here. We think it really tucks in nice, really cleans up the front end of the truck, shows that cool suspension, wheels and tires, holds a 20-inch light bar that'll be great at night for lighting up the road. As we come back the truck, we added power steps to this model. Those make getting in and out of these tall trucks a lot easier. Promise your wife will appreciate it if your truck has these on it. Coming back, we did the really cool Retrax EQ. This is a power bed cover that rolls all up and back off of your key fob. So you don't need a separate remote. You don't need to use a switch inside. It works off of your key fob. And then it has these really cool tracks on top that hold these racks. You can add anything from bike racks to tent racks to whatever you want up here. And then coming to the back, we have the matching Fab 4 bumper. We put a couple of cubes in there. We've also modified this bumper to let his blind spot sensors shine through so that all the features of this truck work as intended. After watching this video, if you're like, I really want one of these, I'm curious how to get it, the first step with PaxPower, as always, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. We have dealerships that can help you source these trucks, finance the upgrades with the truck purchase, and we can ship it to you anywhere in the world. So let us know. We'd love to build one and get one in your driveway.